Today we talk about how can you enable email receipts notifications on your Pay by Phone app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on account settings, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on parking notifications. Then you come to this list here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to email receipts, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here email receipts notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.